If you weren't already aware, the cost of most types of business insurance are deductible on your tax returns as a restaurant or bar owner. In this video, we are going to talk about the different types of business insurance that are tax deductible, what's not deductible, and how you should go about making these deductions depending on your entity type. A typical insurance policy is a deductible expense. Coverage types include
premiums for property insurance, which protects you against damage or loss to your property and its contents. Premiums for commercial general liability, which covers your liability for property damage or bodily injury to a third party. Premiums for commercial auto insurance, which covers auto-related liability and/or physical damage to the vehicle itself. Only the amount of insurance that applies to the business use of the vehicle may be deducted. Premiums for liquor liability insurance, which covers property damage or bodily injury pertaining to an over-serving type of incident. Business interruption insurance, which covers your loss of income if your establishment is disrupted by natural catastrophe. Premiums for key person insurance for company executives and officers. This assumes that the beneficiary is the company and not a spouse or another non-business person. Premiums for workers' compensation insurance. The business pays workers' compensation to cover employees for injuries or illness on the job. Premiums for fidelity bonds and performance bonds. Fidelity bonds cover employee theft situations, and performance bonds ensure the completion of construction projects. If your company meets certain qualifications, you can deduct group health insurance premiums for your employees. You can deduct part of your property insurance on your home if you utilize your home as part of your establishment's operations. This applies to your home office space.
Let's talk about insurance items you cannot deduct.
If you are, as a restaurant owner, the beneficiary, direct or indirect, of the life insurance policy for your company, you cannot deduct the premium cost. Disability insurance for you as the business owner, when it comes to tax deductions, is tricky. In an article by MassMutual, the article goes into details regarding tax treatment for premium expenses as well as benefits paid to you in the event of a claim, as this can change based on the entity type. The link to this article is in the description below.
Where should these business insurance expenses be displayed? Let's look at different entity types and where they might be listed on the tax forms.
These expenses can be shown in the Expenses section of Schedule C, line 15 for sole proprietorships or single-member LLCs. For partnerships and multi-member LLCs, you should show the expenses in the Deductions section of Form 1065. These expense items can be shown in the Deductions section of Form 1120 for corporations.
A quick note about accounting methods and tax deductions.
There are certain limitations as far as expensing annual premiums if your business accounting is cash-based. If you paid premiums in November 2020 for 6 months, only the premiums for November and December may be deducted from your 2020 taxes. The balance of the 6-month premium payment should be deducted on your 2021 taxes.
In this video, we talked about the different types of business insurance that are tax deductible, what's not deductible, and how you should go about making these deductions depending on your entity type. Hope you found the information from this video helpful. If you ever need help with your insurance for your restaurant or bar, our agency has expert knowledge, specialized coverages, and aggressive pricing for food and beverage establishments. Feel free to reach out with any questions, thoughts, or information to get a free quote.